Welcome to the Ruffle Daisy. Today I'm going to take these houses I got from the Target Dollar Spot last year around Christmas time, and we are going to dress them up. You can tell here that these are just simple white houses. They are ceramic, and so we are going to dress them up and make them my style for my house, and so please tailor this to your liking. All I'm doing here is I am coating each of the roofs with a layer of Mod Podge and then putting some silver glitter on it. Check that out. We're actually going to do a couple coats of the glitter and Mod Podge so it's got really good coverage, and so you're going to see it all come together here in just a second. You can tell that these houses can be actually used all year long, but I wanted to make them a little bit Christmassy. And so I have these little wreaths that I am just adhering onto the front. These are actually dollhouse wreaths, so you can find them at Hobby Lobby in the dollhouse section, or you might be able to find them at Dollar Tree in some of their mini decorations. I also had some black bows that I got from Amazon, and we're just adhering that on top of the wreath to just dress it up just a little bit more. And then on the two small houses, I just used a bow. Here's where I told you that we were going to do another coat of Mod Podge to get really good coverage on our glitter. So once your first coat is dry, you can adhere another coat of Mod Podge and another coat of glitter. And then when it dries, it is going to look absolutely amazing. These little houses are the perfect, simple decoration for the holidays. You know, this year I have seen little wooden houses and not ceramic ones, and you can totally do this on wooden houses too. So just remember, when I give you ideas, you don't have to have the exact supplies. I'm just giving you the inspiration to create on any medium that you have, whether it be wood pieces or ceramic pieces. Go be creative. Thank you so much for watching today. Please remember to visit my website and follow me on all the social media channels for all things home decor, DIY, and inspiration. Thank you so much for watching today.